Hi friends, I am Noman Mehboob, and today we are here with a somebody trainer display of live fitness against the same problem that it is not powering up. Well, normally the cable from the lower, remember in its lower circuit, the power is fed by the dynamo that moves, and from that circuit the cable come and connect here. So while tracing out the circuit, we will start from here because this is the main part that is giving power to the whole circuit. So let's check it out. What is the problem? We will just open the screws. These are all the screws here. So here is the card of this. So you can see here, this is a card, and it is not turning up, power up. This is the display P1 that we received from the lower card. If we talk about the lower card, then it is very rigid. It is normally does not go faulty. All of the problem occurs here on the display side. So upon checking the things, I will tell you that what is the problem and how to overcome this problem. So guys, I have checked out all the things here, and here we have a problem on this area. Let me show you what area. We have a problem on this side, and I have resoldered this component, and some of the resistances were faulty, and also the diode was short. This diode was short, the capacitor was not charging. So these all the things I have 3 to 4 components that I have changed here, and remaining of the board I have found okay. So let's check what happens. Well, I've shown you that I am changed some component in this card. Now we have just placed back to the body. I don't have the trainer right now, so I will fed the 6-volt manually from my power supply, so in order to check the display. So turning on the power, it is 6.4 voltages we are getting from this supply.
उधर भेजा था मैंने, मैं ले लूंगी फिर ये मुझे दे दो यार, क्यों दाद देते हैं।
Now checking it up by placing the high voltages. This is 6.5, the threshold voltage for the system to turn on. Now you can see that this is turned on. Now we can press anything like quick start, Oh my god. So you have seen that the power ups, and when we'll just install back to the card, it will be working. Take care. Allah Hafiz for until my next video. Hope I will see you soon. Allah Hafiz.